YouTube doesn't allow users to download videos from their platform. But in this video, I'm going to show you legit ways of downloading YouTube videos. Hello guys, welcome back to Obakhas Geeks. My name is Patrick. So today, I'm going to show you 2 ways you can download YouTube videos and save them on your PC or laptop. And we're going to start right away. Now, the first way of downloading YouTube video is limited and you can only download your own videos. Maybe if you lost your videos that is already posted on your YouTube channel and you want to repost them on your other social platform. So if you want to download your YouTube videos on your YouTube homepage, click on the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then on these options, click on YouTube Studio and you will be directed to YouTube Creator Studio. So when you are here on your left hand options under your profile, just click on content, then under channel content you will see the videos you have on your YouTube channel. So what you need to do next, just go to the video you want to download. Then once you are there, let me say I want to download this one, you need to click on these 3 dots right here. Then on these pop-up options, click on download option and that video will be downloaded on your PC. So that's the first way and it's limited. As I said, you are only allowed to download your own videos, right? So the second way is a premium way. So you need to join YouTube Premium. While on your YouTube homepage, go to your left hand option, then under your subscription list, you go down under more from YouTube, click on YouTube Premium right here and you'll be directed to this page. So what you can, as you can see, you can join YouTube Premium at a fee. After joining, now you'll be able to watch videos without ads and you can download them and also you can listen music in the background. So guys, those are the only ways you can download YouTube videos legally. So hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.